has embarked, no, has strengthened yung sinasabi nating e-governance. Ano yung e-governance? Yung presentation, please. So this is about empowering PARED, empowering the leaders, local boards, empowering the members, and empowering the real estate industry. Why? Because PARED, we are bragging that we're the biggest and the oldest real estate association. We should transcend, no? Beyond that brand, we should make PARED as the leading real estate organization of choice in the country. From the north, going to PARED, down south, going to Hulong and Davao. Lalo na yung mapa ng Pilipinas natin ngayon, di ba? Instead, Luzon sa taas, Davao na yung sa taas because we have a president who is coming from Mindanao. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin strengthen yung organization natin. We cannot strengthen the organization if you're using the old traditional models. That is why we are introducing this pared.org.ph as an e-governance platform. Briefly, ano to, no? Una, yung mga leaders natin, madali yung communication sa mga members natin through our website. In terms of information dissemination, all members, as long as you're a member in good standing, you should be listed in this site. How many of you here have websites? Briefly lang, pagkataas, para alam natin, idea. Websites, personal website. Konti lang, no? I should say 3 to 5%. Now, ang PARED, sponsor namin yung website nyo. Not only through the MLS, yung property listing natin, ito naman, it will provide you with credibility. Diba? Kung may mga foreign clients tayo, one way to check on you is through the organization of which you are a member. So, titingnan nila, if you are a member of PARED, the biggest, largest, and the most innovative real estate association in the country, ibig sabihin, trustworthy tayo. So, website features, briefly, online membership form, pwede nyo mag-register dyan. Email feedback, no? The National Directorate would want you to flatten the organization. You can communicate with us directly. Mobile apps, just access the website.